Alright guys, welcome back. Right, really quick video today. I've just bought this new Volkswagen Passat CC, well new to me anyway. And one thing that really lets the car down is the gear knob. The original gear knob is quite worn. The top metal piece is really badly worn. It really lets it down, so I had a quick look on eBay. Found this for a £5, which is a new replacement part, which should just slot in. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to remove this, fit this, and show you how easy it is. Right, hopefully you can now see just how worn this is. So this is the replacement insert. Again, like I said, it's from eBay, from China. Looks pretty good quality and it's a £5, so it's worth a go. Obviously this is plastic. I think this is plastic with some kind of like aluminium coating maybe. Maybe even a chrome coating actually, but it's peeling off whatever it is, so I'm not happy. So looking at this, hopefully you can see that. The piece just looks like it slots down. So what I've done, I've got one of these, which you can hopefully see, and a little flat screwdriver. And we're going to see what we can do. So I'm hoping that just pops out like that. And then that simply clicks straight in. And doesn't that look better? So that's the old unit. Absolutely worn out, really sharp, not very nice. That's the new unit. Now the leather is still a little bit worn, but that looks 100 times better and it literally cost a £5. So there we go, £5 well spent. Nice new gear knob. Makes the interior look so much better. So I'm really chuffed with that. So there we go guys, £5, very well spent. Gear knob looks loads better, feels nicer. And if I'm going to be completely honest, you can't even tell it's not genuine. So I'm really chuffed with that. Top tip from me.